In the next part, I want to show you that once you've got interventions and how to manage that. So I'm going to my work center, and not under work where you normally find your appointments, but we go down to clinical and we select intervention list. And then I select a filter of what I want to see. Let's try that one. So here we've got a whole lot of interventions that are waiting to be happening, and then what can you do with them? So if you select one of the patients there, and then these icons become available, giving you all kinds of actions that can be taken. So that is if you want to add a new intervention for that patient or a new immunization, edit it and to complete the intervention or defer it, intervention letter, a phone call, a message. So let's select a number of patients. Okay, let's select these. So what I do is select one, perhaps I didn't press what I wanted to press on my keyboard. I press Shift and the down arrow, and then I mark all the patients that I want to be included in this action. And then you can go and select it there, the actions on the icons, or you can right-click there, and here you can also see what actions are available. Like, for instance, if you want to phone all of them, or if you want to send a letter, then you can click there, and it's going to say, do you want to print the letters for all of those? You can specify more aspects there. If you want to send a message, you can click on that send message icon. So this one was not on this menu. It's only available here. And when you click on send message, so it's going to send a message to 5 patients, and it's going to deliver it via SMS. So if you set up your profile for sending out SMSs, text messaging, then you can enter a whole message here, and that will be sent to the patients. So this is one way you can use it to do a recall or to tell patients what should happen. And if you want to make appointments, you can go there and click for search for appointments, and then you can go and find dates of when appointments are available and which patients you want to put into which appointments. So there are a lot of useful things that you can do, and also sending messages. If you've got a portal that can send out text messages, sending emails can be done, and even printing letters that needs to be mailed can be done from the intervention list.